Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time once again to unbag the Facetory monthly subscription. So what Facetory is, it's a monthly subscription service. There are two types of subscriptions you can get. The one that I have here, this is called the Forever Fresh Kit. Comes to you in this little bag. It's going to have 4 sheet masks. The other one is the Seven-Lux Kit. The Seven-Lux Kit is going to come to you in a box. It is going to have 7 sheet masks. The Forever Fresh Kit is $5.95 per month plus $2.95 shipping, handling, and tax. And the Seven-Lux Kit is $15.95 per month plus $3.95 shipping, handling, plus tax. Down below in the description box, I'm going to include an affiliate code for you so that you can save 20% off of your first Facetory purchase. And I have said this every month since I started doing this, and I swear to you guys, I am literally, like, my brain sometimes is so scattered. I've yet to set up my end for the commission, so I don't earn a commission off of it. I'm not earning any money off of it, but you still get the 20% off. So please, if, giving people commission bothers you, feel free to use my code. I will get no commission from it because I still haven't set it up yet. So this is the August kit. This will still be available until the 31st. So if you want to get on and purchase it, you can do that. So what I do each month is I go over what I used last month from the kit. Then we'll unbag what we got this month. So last month, the July kit, I used all of them except this one, which is the one I wanted to use the most. But I did get 3 of them used up. So starting off, this was the Yada Smoothing Pack Mask. This is the one that had the cactus extract in it. I really like this one because it didn't have so much serum that I felt like I was being wasteful. It had just the right amount of serum. It was a real cottony mask, so it really clung to the skin really well and didn't kind of like shift and ooze around like, sometimes masks do. This one didn't. This one was so nice, and I am definitely going to be ordering some more of these. And that is the one thing I love the most about Facetory is, a lot of times, especially when it comes to Korean beauty, it is really hard to find what it was that you loved, or you have to pay so much money for it, or you have to pay so much money to ship it to you that it's just, it almost becomes almost not worth it. Well, the great thing about Facetory is all of the sheet masks that they send you are available in what's called their marketplace, and you can purchase them. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more of these because I really, really did like this. Then next up here we have the Nature Republic. This was the acai berry, or acai, however you say it, sheet mask. And this one was very nice. It was definitely had some brightening effect to it, like immediately after using it. I could definitely tell that. And this one did say that it was going to be good for like brightening and soothing and things like that. So it really was brightening. The last one here I used was the Rose Mask from Botanic Farm. And this one also claimed to be whitening and brightening of the skin because it does contain niacinamide. And it was very, very brightening as well. And it smelled so good. It had that real soft, real rose petal scent to it. Not like that overpowering commercial rose scent because I'm not a fan of that one. But no, this one had just a really soft real rose scent to it. It was really, really nice. I really did enjoy that one. So let's get into August. So when you open it, it all comes packaged just like this. And I haven't said this in a couple of videos, but I did want to go ahead and mention this here because this is the one thing I honestly appreciate the absolute most from Facetory. They actually pack your masks in the bag in the order that they are on the card that gives you the info on them. That to me is above and beyond and just amazing, and that's why they're just such a fabulous company. So this month's theme is Girls Just Want to Have Sun. It's got your little card here, and here they have their little Sheet Masks 101. To learn more, you can subscribe to their Facetory YouTube channel, and I have actually popped on a couple of times when they were live on Instagram going over the sheet masks. They're really, really sweet girls that run and do the company, and they sent a sheet of stickers. Oh my God, these are so cute. Oh, Sunbae. Oh my goodness. These are adorable little stickers for you to put on something. I wish I really had something. I need to find something to put these on because these were so cute. First up, this packaging has got me living. This is from Facetory's own brand. And this one here is called the Sunbae Soothing Mask. Facetory Sun Bay Soothing Mask. It's time to go out and have some fun in the sun. Become the ultimate sunbae with our Facetory Sun Bay Smoothing Mask. Using a rayon sheet material and the best ingredients to soothe your skin, get your skin restored and back in tip-top shape after a sunny day at the beach. Next one up, this is from Harrell, or Ariel. I'm really not sure how to pronounce that. This is the 7-Day Green Tea Mask. Get well protected with this Harrell green tea mask that will give you softer, smoother skin after a full day out in the sun. Next one up here, and it's got little lemons on it, so I'm guessing this is some citrusy going on. This is from Look at Me, and this is the Vitamin Essence Face Mask. Look at Me Vitamin Essence Face Mask. Fill your skin with essential ingredients in this Vitamin Essence Face Mask to stay healthy and hydrated in the summer heat. And our last one here, which has such cute packaging on it as well. I'm such a sucker for cute packaging, it's ridiculous. This one is from MJ Care. This is the Aqua Bamboo Black Mask. Ooh, I wonder if it's black. I'm guessing it is. That's why it says black mask, right? Let your skin come back to life with the amazing effects of the Aqua Bamboo Black Mask. Made out of a bamboo charcoal sheet, this mask will help unclog the dirt from your pores while also replenishing moisture back into your skin. And so that's it. That's what I got in my Facetory this month. Lots of nice goodies. You know, I love a face mask. They're always nice goodies as far as I'm concerned, but I'm really, really interested, especially in this cute little darn sunbae one and the little, I'm interested in them all. I'm not even going to pick a favorite one this month because they're all pretty good. Let's just hope I can get some of them used, or get all of them used up rather, because I almost did last month. Almost. Once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Remember, if you definitely want to save 20% off of your first order from Facetory, feel free to use that affiliate code down there below in the description box. That will give you 20% off of your own subscription or purchase from the marketplace. It really doesn't matter. It's just your first purchase from Facetory. If you use that code, you will get 20% off. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.